not only designing, but uniqueness in designing. I differ at times when people say that जैसे आपने कहा ना डिज़ाइन बनाओ और पेटेंट कर दो, पेटेंट करने के बाद आप 100 रिटेलर्स को सेम डिज़ाइन दोगे. So I differ here. Every jeweler has to have their own unique offerings, and that is where you are able to tap your own clients. Again, I'll relate a very interesting incident. आपको खुद समझ में आ जाएगा मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. There was a debate on how the single store owners can compete with these large format owners. Like Tanishq has a few hundred stores, say likewise Kalyan, likewise Joya Lucas. So what is the future for single store owners? So I said single store owners will always have a bright chance for themselves. Why? तो एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल रिलेट किया. The client was sitting across and she told me कि मैं तो तनिष्क से लाई हूँ ये वाला चीज़. मैंने कहा मैम very interesting. You bought a very beautiful design, but imagine what will happen. I'll tell you my sharing what happened. I was to go to a party और my wife told me कि ये तो 3 दिन बाद ही है, and it was a जागरण and I had to attend it. So हम गए फटाफट मानेवर से मैं कुर्ता ले आया. And imagine what happened. I attended the party. 3 people were wearing the same one. 3 of them. So I always relate when वो कहते हैं मैं तनिष्क जा रहा हूँ, मैं कहा मैम जाइए बिल्कुल जाइए. This is what will happen with you. Most welcome. Because we are the ones who can customize things for you. We are the ones who can sit with you, design something very unique for you. We are the ones who have made one piece of a kind. I can guarantee I haven't made, I will not make, because my gemstones are very unique. Each and every piece has a different story. So that is where your USPs come with you. I mean, you have to find your own USPs. You have to retain your clients. You have to grow with your clients. So that is what I say. Design will always remain a most integral part of your business, and uniqueness of design, not only design, uniqueness of design will remain the most integral part. Most of you are designers also. That is why you have chosen this as your field of interest. So if jewelry fascinates you, so does design, and so does your own uniqueness.